In this video, I'm going to share with you 3 different ways to wear hijab for sports, for gym, for power walks, or running outdoors. Salam, I'm Veronika Edali. I'm a revert to Islam, a founder of a modest activewear brand, a content creator, a wife, and a mom. I share my life and business journey as a Muslim woman living in New Zealand. My mission is simple: help Muslim women to embrace modesty and hijab while following their true passion. I create content to boost self-confidence, mindset, and lift your spirit so you can successfully balance faith, career, and motherhood. Subscribe for inspiration, motivation, and lots of laughter, all from a Muslim woman's perspective. Hijabs for sports are often quite different than the styles that you do every single day. They need to be more practical and sports specific so that they don't get in the way of movement or other activities. When you're working out or being active as a hijabi, you want to be comfortable. You don't want your hijab to get in the way, and you also don't want it to slow you down. So here are 3 different ways you can style your hijab. Style number 1, and it's the one that I go for 90% of the time. I just wear an instant sports hijab. This hijab is by my modest activewear brand, Fifth Generation Apparel. Now it's 80% off because we're clearing out the store. Make sure you check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below, but let me show how I wear this instant hijab. You don't need any pins or anything for it. I'm wearing a ninja undercap underneath, but I normally don't wear any undercaps. I usually just put this on, and that's it. That makes it extra breathable. But for the video purposes, because I can't show you my hair, obviously, I'm gonna put it over my ninja undercap. So you literally grab it, and you pull it over. You adjust to make sure it sits comfortably. Then I usually just tuck it in. I usually wear high neck stuff anyway, or like just even if it's not a kind of turtleneck like this, it's not like really high neck. I usually wear like t-shirt stuff. I usually just tuck in my hijabs and then I zip it up. Then I am completely covered. I can do very hardcore CrossFit, running, like anything really. And I know that it will stay on. It won't get untucked. It won't slow me down. And most importantly, I will be very comfortable wearing it. So I'll show you the fabric. This is how breathable it is. It's perforated fabric. But when you put it on, even if you don't have an undercap, you won't be able to see anything. It's completely opaque, yet it has a lot of breathability to it, and it's very lightweight. This hijab is not even 100 grams. It's like 60 grams. I even weighed it. So very, very comfortable. This is my go-to style when I am working out because I just don't like dealing with a lot of fabric. But a lot of women don't enjoy this kind of look. So I have 2 more styles that you can try, and hopefully those styles won't slow you down as well. For this style, I'm going to use one of my samples. I will be bringing a shawl-like sports hijab when I rebrand my business early next year. Stay tuned for that. But this is also perforated, lightweight, cooling fabric. So I'm going to use this to demonstrate the next style. I'm going to place my hijab over my head with 2 sides of equal length. So I'm going to put it right in the middle here. I'm going to use a hijab magnet to pin this hijab under my chin. It's very stretchy, so it takes the shape of my face, which I absolutely love. Then I'm going to do a little crisscross here, and then I'm going to tie two ends of hijab at the back. As you can see, I just secure them at the back. This is another way to style your hijab. It's not an instant hijab, but once again, when you tie two ends at the back there, it will stay put. You won't have to deal with a lot of fabric in the front. You can walk, you can run, you can cycle, you can work out. All the fabric will be at the back and it won't be getting in the way. So this would be my second favorite style. If I don't have my instant sports hijab on me, I'll be styling my hijab like this because it just doesn't get in the way and you can do everything you like to do, being active, being comfortable and confident while doing so. Let's move on to style number 3. For the style number 3, I'm going to use this hijab. It's the same sample, just with a different fabric. This one is a bit softer fabric. Once again, lightweight and moisture wicking. But let me show you the style number. This style is probably the most flattering style while still being functional. And for it, you would need to have a top like this that has a high zip-up neck. But let me show you. This is the style I usually go for when the looks are important to me. I still want to be very practical and I want my sports hijab do its job, but I want it to look a little bit more flattering than the kind of this sort of hijab or an instant kind of look. I'm going to place the hijab over my head with one shorter side and one slightly longer side. And I'm going to pin it under my chin with a hijab magnet. Then I'm going to flip my hijab over my head like so, towards the back a little bit. And then I'm going to follow with the long side. And I'm going to pin it towards the back a little bit. So the majority of the fabric is at the back. I'm going to zip this up. So now you get a very flattering look. Yet the majority of the fabric is at the back. I will insert a few clips of this style when I'm working out in it. It's definitely very practical. You get the looks of the normal hijab, but the functionality and the moisture wicking properties of a sports hijab. So, and because the material is very lightweight and breathable and thin, it's very, very comfortable here and you don't really feel the folds here. Once again, all of the folds here a little bit towards the back on your bun. So this part of your head remains very comfortable. and then there is only one layer of fabric over your neck. And once again, it's very, very lightweight and breathable. But I wouldn't be doing anything very hardcore in this hijab style, because if you're doing burpees and stuff like that, it will get in the way just because there's still fabric. But if you are walking, going on a bike ride, going hiking, doing some simple weight training that doesn't require a lot of crazy movement, low impact workouts like Pilates, for example, this will be great. You will look very stylish, your hijab will look flattering, yet you get the comfort of the sports hijab. That's why I really want to release the hijab shawl with the most perfect fabric for sports so that Muslim women can have a lot of freedom when it comes to styling their sports hijab, so they can look good and feel confident in how they look while getting all the benefits that come with wearing a sports hijab. I really hope you found value in this video and you will give these hijab styles a go when you're working out next or going on your favorite hike, and let me know how you go. If you want me to do more hijab tutorials, let me know in the comments below. I am always reading your comments and I'm always listening to your feedback. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I post long form videos every single Saturday, so make sure you hit the bell so you don't miss my next upload. And I really appreciate you taking your time out of your day to come and hang out with me. Until next time, Assalamu alaikum. I'll catch you later.